Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn lesson number 6 of EVS, that is wheels to move. Dear kids, in this lesson we'll learn about different means of transportation, invention of wheel, travel long and short distances. Kids, how do you go to school every day? Some children go to school by bus, some children by auto rickshaw, some by scooter, right? Now tell me, if you have to go to another city to meet your friend, how will you go? By bus, by train, or by car, right? Kids, if you have to go to another country to meet your cousin, how will you go? By aeroplane, right? Well, we need to travel from one place to another all the time. If the distance is short, we walk. But to go to distant places, we use some means of transport. Means of transport carry both goods and people from one place to another. And do you know, transportation is one of the most basic human needs. Transportation is the act of moving from one place to another. We use various means of transport to travel from one place to another. We travel by road, rail, water, and by air. Now, let us see animals used as transport. Do you know, kids? Earlier, man used to travel from one place to another on foot. It means by walking. Later, he started using animals for traveling. This has made traveling very easy and comfortable. In villages, people use bullock carts and tongas. In hilly areas, ponies and mules carry people and goods. In deserts, the camel is the only means of transport. The camel is called the sheep of the desert. In forest, elephants carry logs of wood. Reindeer and dogs pull sledges on snow-covered land. Now, let us see wheel and transport. Today, we use various means of transport to travel. With the help of wheels and engines, traveling has become easier and faster. Vehicles like bus, car, aeroplane, jet, yacht run on fuel. Electricity is used to run vehicles like train and metro train. Traveling to different places. Traveling to short distances. The kind of transport we use depends on how far and how fast we want to travel. People use cars, buses, auto rickshaws, scooters, motorbikes, local or metro trains to travel short distances. People also travel by rickshaw, bicycle, or tonga to nearby places. Boats and ships are also used to travel short distances on rivers. Traveling to long distance. Long distances can be traveled by train and aeroplane. Aeroplane is one of the fastest means of transport. Do you know, kids, who invented aeroplane? So, Orwell and Wilbur are the two brothers who invented aeroplane. They are known as Wright brothers. Reaching the moon. Some people have visited the moon. They travel in rockets. People who travel into space are called astronauts. This is it for today. We'll take a quick look of what we learned in this lesson. We learned that we use various means of transport to travel from one place to another. The kind of transport we use depends on the distance. We also learned that invention of wheels and engines has made traveling easier and faster. We also learned that we use different modes of transport such as road, rail, water and air. We learned that people also use vehicles as means of transport. I hope you understand today's lesson very well. We'll meet soon in the next video. Until then, take care. Bye-bye.